Pag Thursday, it's Thirst Day para sa mga pusong uhaw sa pagkakataon maging malaya sa mga nararamdaman nila. At dito sa MRS or Most Requested Song, isang tweet na naman ang ating babasahin dahil para raw ito sa kanyang ex na gusto na niyang kalimutan. For real. At samahan tayong alamin ang kanyang kwento. Nagbabalik naman dito sa Kada Umagang ating star kada na si Rachel Gabreza. Hi Rachel, good morning and welcome.
Hello, good morning, Anthony.
Nice to see you again.
Yes, I'm happy to be back here again.
Yeah, meron tayong letter na naman. Hugot.
Yes po. Oo nga po. So ito na nga. Medyo relatable nga itong kwentong ito dahil ito ay tungkol sa pag-ibig na shinare po ni @Bini Baby. So, hi girl kada, musiko Kevin at kung sino man po ang kakanta ng aking request. Sana po ay makanta niyo po ang bagong kanta ni Ariana Grande na We Can't Be Friends. Dahil sobrang relate po ako rito nung unang beses ko siyang mapakinggan. Hirap po kasi talagang kalimutan ng ex ko na kahit alam ko pong wala na talagang chance ay nandito pa rin ako. We can't really be friends. Pero I will still wait for his love. Well, ganun talaga. Kaya nga sinasabi nga, 'di ba, ex talagang ex na. So this song is for you and I hope hindi lang makarelate kundi para din to maibsan ang iyong kalungkutan.
Understand me. How could you ever even try? I don't wanna tiptoe, but I don't wanna hide, but I don't wanna feed this monstrous fire. Just wanna let this story die, and I'll be alright. We can be friends, but I just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens. Wait until you're like me again. Wait for your love, love. Wait for your love. We sit in silence. Baby girl, it's just me and you. 'Cause I don't wanna argue, but I don't wanna bite. But don't you think I'd rather die? You got me misunderstood, but at least I look this good. We can't be friends, but I like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens. Wait until you're like me again. Wait for your love, love. Wait for your love. Wait for your love, love. Wait for your love. Know that you unmade me. I don't like you pain me, yet I'm still hanging. Now what you made me, it's something like a daydream, but it feels so sick in the night. So for now it's only me, and maybe that's all I need. We can't be friends, but I like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pen. Wait until you're like me again. Wait for your love, love. Wait for your love, love. Wait
no? It's really heartbreaking to wait for someone to love you back. Walang kasiguraduhan, walang may alam, pero one thing is for sure. Alam mo, nagmahal ka at nagmahal ka lang. Nako, Rachel, mabuti pa mag-promote na muna tayo at baka saan pa tayo pupunta dito sa mga heartbroken usapan, di ba?
Kaya nga po, Ate Diana, napakasakit tong song. Pero ito namang ipopromote ko ay napakasaya.
Ayun, very good!
Yes!
Thank you!
Dahil dyan, meron po kaming Star Kada Mall Show this coming May 19 na po yan sa linggo po sa SM Santo Tomas, Batangas. Kaya naman pumunta po kayo dyan dahil 3 p.m. po, meron po kaming napakagandang performance at marami pa po kaming mga surprises and of course, guests. At this coming May 26 po, sa SM Lucena naman po kami with my Star Kada and June 2, SM Lemery, Batangas, June 15, SM 13, Martires, June 30, SM Molino, and July 6, SM San Pablo. Grabe, very excited po! Yes.
Grabe kayo every weekend halos, no? Meron na kayong tour.
Totoo
Very
po.
nice, very nice. Good job. Ito naman, Rachel, thank you so much for sharing your talent with us. Sakit ng kanta na yan. Pero thank you rin sa ating Beanie Baby for sharing your story with us, our letter sender. At ito lang masasabi ko, mga kada. If you can't be friends, thank you. Next na lang. Yan, Rachel, oh. Tingnan mo, ha? Kaya mga kada, kung may gusto pa kayo, i-share